honorable mentions for skin needs different than mine. First, for acne prone skin or oily skin, niacinamide. Niacinamide is nothing but vitamin B3. It's vitamin B3 from the lab, promotes protein synthesis and sort of strengthens your skin barrier. It also gets rid of free radicals. Because it promotes protein synthesis, the con is if you use it a little bit too much, you will have other problems. I don't want to scare you guys with everything that's been going on around the world. The last thing we need to do is that. But just don't use it too much. It also gets rid of free radicals, which is yay for aging skin. And it prohibits melanin production, which means what? You're going to have to use sunscreen, because now you've deprived the skin of its natural filter. I think that's enough about what it is and what it does. Let's talk about the product recommendation. I find Be Minimalist to be a good brand overall. Anybody living in India, it's affordable, it's clean quality, and they have equivalent quality of The Ordinary, so why not? If any of the US viewers are watching, then The Ordinary, of course. No skincare product recommendation is complete without including The Ordinary's name in it. The third one, if you are looking for a little bit of a mix, sort of a formulation, go for Purito. Purito Green Level Buffet Serum. It also has 50% Centella Asiatica water and niacinamide. I feel like niacinamide can be an ingredient that can really sort of agitate some sensitive skin types. So when it is in combination with Centella Asiatica, which I'm going to talk about in a minute, it's gonna be like very soothing and nice. The other unconventional niacinamide-like giving results product I would talk about is Cosrx Mela 14 Ampule. It has apple fruit extract and niacinamide. Now these two in combination are going to give your skin that very pale and like almost like a porcelain doll. If you guys see Korean drama, the lead always has a very porcelain quality to her skin. This will get you a little closer to that kind of a look. So those were my product recommendations. अच्छा, अब इधर आओ, एक बात सुनो. इनके बारे में पता चल गया तो इसका ये मतलब नहीं कि जाके सब खरीदा जाए एक साथ. कि कोई भी स्किन केयर 2-3 महीने यूज़ करो, उसके बाद एक और स्किन केयर खरीदो, फिर वो 2-3 महीने यूज़ करो, फिर एक और ख़रीदो. ऐसे करने का है, ये नहीं कि सब एक साथ खरीद लिया. क्योंकि स्किन केयर, it is better if you use it immediately. It's not like lipsticks and mascaras. इसको ज़्यादा स्टोर नहीं करना है. और जो फोकस्ड प्रॉब्लम है उसी का स्किन केयर लो. मतलब अगर आपको नहीं है एक्ने प्रॉब्लम, आपको नहीं है ऑयली स्किन, तो ज़रूरत नहीं है आपको niacinamide लेने की, रिगार्डलेस ऑफ वॉट एवर एनीबडी में से. सो ऐसे आपको जो चाहिए उसी ही हिसाब से आप लीजिए. ये नहीं कि मतलब स्किन केयर की हवा चल रही है तो बस. बैक टू द रिव्यू. द नेक्स्ट इंग्रेडिएंट, I hope I'm not boring you guys. If I'm boring, do go check out my other videos. But I am going to talk about all this because I feel like it's not been talked about this way. It's always been talked about, oh, this product is amazing or that product is amazing. Yeah, but what does that ingredient really mean? And then you guys can sort of go look for formulations that suit your skin if you understand what the ingredient does. Many times what happens is it's the same ingredient that we end up buying in 4 or 5 different products, which is really like time waste and money waste. Also plastic and glass packaging waste. Even like nature wise, even biodegradable point of view, it's not good. So the next ingredient, this is an ingredient I want to buy once I finish off the current skincare products I have, because I also follow that philosophy. First you finish the skincare you have and then you buy the next. So the next ingredient is Centella Asiatica. इंडिया में हम इसे ब्राह्मी के नाम से जानते हैं, जिसको हम हेयर वॉश के लिए यूज़ करते हैं, उसको हम तेल में यूज़ करते हैं. तो ब्राह्मी का जो एक्सट्रैक्ट है, उसका जो वाटर है, उसको Centella Asiatica बोला गया इंग्लिश में. What it does is it's very nourishing, it's healing, it's moisturizing, and it's really good for itchy scalp. If you have dandruff problems, try out Centella Asiatica on your hair. Recommendations for Centella Asiatica. Recommendation number 1 is Green Buffet by Purito. I've already mentioned it. It comes with niacinamide, and they also have an unscented version. They have 2 versions. The Green Buffet by Purito with niacinamide and Centella Asiatica is a little more famous. The other one, unscented version, it's not as famous. The unscented version is with a higher percentage of centralized sciatica. The next recommendation, I think you guys have already sort of guessed as to what my preferences are when it comes to skincare. The second recommendation for centralized sciatica is COSRX. They have a whole line. They have ampoule, they have cream, they have toner. And the third recommendation for centralized sciatica is Dr. Seth's. It also comes with niacinamide. If you are looking for a mix of niacinamide and centralica, then Dr. Seth's is also a good option. At the end of the day, it's just skincare, guys. All the skincare in the world cannot mask an ugly heart. You do you. Bye-bye.